auto shop car merge. I will show you how easy it is, and I will show you a few vehicles that I actually merged already, and if I did them, you can do them also. Okay, so I just merged this vehicle right here. This one is next. You'll see it on the pictures. And I just merged this one right here. Originally the price is, I believe, 1 second. Here we go. Penumbra FF. The price originally is 1.3 and some change. Okay, so 1.3 and some change, and now it's fully merged, maxed out. And when you purchase it, the car is now actually 1.7, almost 1.8. So the price on the vehicle goes up, the value on it goes slightly up. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And yeah, these are a few vehicles that I actually merged. Requirement: you need money, you need auto shop, you always need on your friend list somebody playing GTA, willing to send you invitation to tighten of a job. That's the way it works. I managed to actually do it solo. I asked a friend, hey, can you send invite to tighten of a job? And they said, I'm actually doing a mission, and they were actually doing a heist, and they were actually full, 4 players. So I attempted to join their session, and it just kicked me out, saying, hey, the session is full, return to GTA Online. That's solo. I did it, it kicked me out, back to the auto shop, and the car was fully merged. I'll show you a video now. The session you're trying to join is currently full. Return to GTA Online. That's what we want. Watch what's gonna happen. The car service vehicle is gonna get merged. Watch. Boom, easy. Just like that. Just merged service vehicle. No need for ANAWACK, no need for tighten of a job. Just join somebody that's doing a mission and it will automatically kick you out. Okay, so it's possible to do it solo to a certain point, because you always need a friend playing GTA Online regardless. Ruiner, yes. CZ8. You can invite everyone from the session to your auto shop and everyone can buy it. The vehicles, they cycle. You know, it's not like it's always the same car. You know, like eventually I'll service this one, deliver it, and then I'll get, like, for example, last time I got was a Issy. So I upgraded to a Future Shock Izzy. So then I had an Izzy with F1 wheels, and then I had a Vapid truck. So they always cycle. It's not always the same vehicle. Eventually it'll land into like a vehicle of your choice, or maybe something that you like. You just gotta have money, auto shop, bunker, and that's it. I will post full video soon. Instructions, steps, and process, super easy. take advantage of it before it gets patched. And I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the pictures and the vehicles that I actually merged. Later. If you don't have auto shop, if you don't have bunker, I'm online most of the time. You can just drop a comment and let me know, hey, can I come over to your auto shop? I would like to buy one of these vehicles. You're more than welcome to come to my auto shop and buy a vehicle, a service vehicle from me. Right now it's this one. So I'm trying to sell this one as much as I can, of course, to players that like it. So yeah, if you don't have auto shop, bunker, you just want to buy the car, join my session and buy the vehicle from my auto shop.